interested in doing some science at home? Crowd the Tap is a great citizen science project for middle grades on up to college, with connections to concepts in environmental science and chemistry. Check it out on SciStarter.org/education for detailed directions on how to participate and a curriculum guide. Did you know that 1/3 of the world's population doesn't have access to clean water? But here in the United States, we take clean water for granted. Just turn on the tap. But it turns out this isn't the case in some communities. The United States used lead pipes until they were banned in the 1980s, and it turns out that lead under certain conditions can leach into the water, impacting the health and development of children. The Crowd the Tap project aims to leverage the power of citizen science to create a map of pipes in the United States. To participate in this project, all you need is a magnet, maybe off of your refrigerator, and a penny. Hunt under the cushions of your couch, find your service lines and your house lines, do a quick test to determine what they're made of, and then add your data to the project. This project comes with some exciting curriculum ideas. Students can explore issues in environmental science like water pollution, human health, and environmental risk. Or they could dig a little deeper into chemistry concepts like the periodic table, chemical reactions, or the role that redox reactions play in the corrosion of pipes. And of course, we've provided lots of videos and articles to help students build essential literacy skills. The hardest part about this project is finding your pipes. They might be located in a crawl space or basement. Here in Florida, I found my service line in my front yard, and I found my house lines at the shutoff valve just outside my garage. Once you've determined the material of your pipes, you're going to input that on SciStarter.org. And remember, it's not citizen science until you've shared the data, so don't skip that step. Help Crowd the Tap make a map of pipes in the United States, and you can become a citizen scientist.